Unity Technologies. So what is this company? It's also another software platform development company where they create interactive real-time 3D content. So these are the industries that will be using 3D content like in games, architecture, automotive and also film. So these are the revenue source that they generate from. So create solution is very straightforward, which means that people use their software to create all these 3D content, 3D images. But for growth solutions, an example is like they have a product that they offer is Unity Ads, where they offer tools, analytics for advertisers to create in-app advertisements. So that means within their products, they can create an in-app advertisement for the users to click onto it. So whenever the users click onto it, they are able to monetize the advertisement. And here Unity, they will take a share of that revenue from them. So that means as if that they provide these tools and analytics to the publishers or developers so that they also can take a share of it. And an example is such as the in-game apps. When people playing mobile games, sometimes they want to go over to another level. They might need to buy something inside the game to advance. So this is where the in-app advertisement comes in, and if they wanted to get the item, they will click onto the advertisement and they will get the item and they will be charged on it. So the revenue that comes in for the developer of the game, they will get the revenue, but here Unity may take a share of it. So right now, let's look at the AI applications. Game development. With AI, they are able to create much more realistic game where the character inside the game, they can interact with the players as if they are talking to another real person. Next will be personalization. So it actually allows to personalize the content creation based on preferences and behaviors of the users. Like for example, they can recommend a game content or adjust the difficulty level of the game based on the player's skill level. And finally, is in VR, virtual reality or augmented reality. Now let's look at the numbers. So this company also public listed since 2019. So we only have about 5 years of data. So it's also another young company. So the revenue is in consistent uptrend. However, their EPS is also under the water and also on their downtrend. And their cash flow situation is one of the year is positive, but most of the year is negative. And finally, their debt to equity ratio, we can see that there was a huge jump from 2020 to 2021. So this is something that investors should really take note, even though the company looks very attractive and interesting.